Every day I'm more and more amazed at how many people don't know how simple it can be to get a digital income set up and running for themselves. Just forget a business for a second. And I just want you to think about having something set up ready for you to start making money with. I ran across a longtime friend, meaning I've been online 18 years. I've known this particular person for, geez, probably about 10 to 15 of those years. And I just ran across her this weekend. And it dawned on me just through our conversation how many people like they know that making money online is a thing, but so many people don't know how simple it can be to position themselves to start actually making money without having to create products themselves or without having to turn an idea, into a product, or without having to rely upon things like MLM and network marketing. And I'm not bashing anything like that, but there's just so many people, and this lady was one of them, where she allowed me to be reminded of how many people, like, that's the only thing that they know. And the funny thing is, when I came online, that's exactly where I had failed. And at that point, that's all that I knew. Even when I came online, I started looking for MLM and network marketing opportunities. But instead of doing them the old fashioned way, I was trying to learn how to do it online. And that is how I kind of like lucked up on this internet marketing, make money online thing where you could actually sell like digital offers and never have to leave your home in order to make money. We're in the year 2026, and I literally have goosebumps as I say this because I'm still amazed at how many people like don't know this is such a viable option for everyday people like you and I. And it's really important to slow down just a little bit and to help more and more people really understand what this is all about, how to get set up and how to get started, and what to do on a daily basis so that you're not just set up to start making money, but you actually can start making money, where people are finding your information on the internet and they're buying from you without you having to live in the DMs or without you having to do phone calls. Literally people being able to buy directly from your very simple digital store, your websites, very simple digital products that will actually help them in their life. And so what I'm going to do from day to day is I'm going to allow my channel to be a place for each and every one of us to check in. I'll be creating my videos to check in on you and to offer up tips and to hold you accountable in taking those next steps so that you can go from just watching videos and consuming content and hopping all over the place to actually feeling like you have a strategy that you can believe in and knowing that if you just stick to it, it will pay off for you. And what I want to do is help more people not only learn how to like break into this space, but how to set themselves up to earn very, very consistently. Because with the billions and billions and billions of people that are in the world, it literally makes zero sense for anyone to be online, have the desire to make money, and to not be getting their share. So if you've been meaning to get started or wanting to get started, or you have been struggling and you're really ready to just settle in and to make a go of this, you're definitely in the right place. When you show up to my channel, always have a notebook, always have a pen, because my goal is to leave you better and to give you with something actionable to take action on so that you can stop consuming and start getting into action. All right, so let's dive into it for day number 1. So if you're like a lot of people, you think that you need a grand idea or you're looking for motivation. Maybe you're saying like, I just haven't been motivated to get started. I hear that from so many people. Like, Steph, why do you think I haven't been able to get started? Why do you think that I started, but I haven't actually got out there, right, and started creating content and making sales? Or maybe you're thinking that you actually need confidence. And I hear that from a lot of people as well. Like, I feel like I'm just not confident enough to get out there, and so they never start. I will tell you, all of those things come after you start. Motivation, first off, is fleeting, and that should be something that we never rely upon in order to do something. It's 7:30 in the morning. I was not motivated to get out of bed because it's cold here right now. It's cold like it's never, like it usually isn't cold, and I did not want to get out of bed. If I would have allowed motivation, right, to dictate what I did this morning, I wouldn't be doing what I've got to do to grow my business and to make money. Motivation's fleeting. We never want to rely upon motivation. Motivation is a fun thing, and it's fun to feel motivated, but to need it, right, it's a detriment to your success. Ideas come and go. Sometimes ideas have plagued my business because it'll have me hopping from thing to thing to thing to thing, never settling down, focused on one thing. So you don't need ideas, okay? And you don't need confidence, all right? If you have the desire to want to make money, which you do because you're watching videos like this, that is enough. Desire plus some very, very simple instructions, right, that you can just simply compel yourself to follow through with is enough to get started. I know, because that's all that it took for me. Okay, what you really need is a starting line. You need someone to show up and say, this is where we start. And for you to just simply step up to that starting line and to Trust the process. Trust what's going to be delivered to you as the very next step to take. Okay. It's not sitting back and trying to speculate on how you're going to create 365 days of content. What it is you're getting in your hands something that you can begin selling. And I'll tell you from my experience, like why that's so important. Because when I came online, again, like I said earlier, I was coming from a background of MLM network marketing, didn't really know what this was all about. But because someone put something in my hands that began to teach me how to make money online, I knew for a fact that more people needed that information. Before I had created one stitch of content online, I had something in my hand that I believed so much in. Like I knew more people needed this. And so I gave myself something sellable. And because I knew that so many people needed it, it compelled me to get out there and to start creating my content. So it wasn't me sitting back and wondering how I was going to create all this content. It was having something so good in my hands that I believed in, where I was so compelled to get out there and want to create the content so that other people could learn about that. And because I created content in that way, I was able to make sales really quickly inside of my business. And guess what? That's where my confidence came from. That very first sale, it gave me the confidence to realize that if one person would buy from me that did not even know me, and that I didn't have to rely upon family and friends, that there were hundreds, if not thousands of people out there that would do the exact same thing. So it's so important that you don't put things in front of your journey that you think are important when those are the things that are actually holding you back. I want you just for a moment to kind of audit that. Have you been waiting for a good idea, or have you had so many ideas that those ideas have stunted your growth? They have prevented you from getting started. Have you been looking for motivation and you keep putting it off until next week? How many weeks, how many months, or how many years have gone by, right, waiting for the perfect motivation? All right. And confidence only comes after you trusted yourself enough just to get started, just to take those initial steps, realizing that, wow, I can start. I can invest in myself. I can create my first piece of content. Wow, I can actually attract people that are interested. I can get views. I can get clicks. It's like your confidence builds, right, piece by piece as milestones happen inside of your business. So first step, just give yourself a starting line. Write that down right now. Can you give yourself a definitive starting line? When I think back on my journey, I know what that definitive starting line was. It was having that product in my hand that I did not even have to create, and knowing that I had the green light to get out there and to start offering that to other people. If you don't know what done for you digital products are, in every single one of my videos, you're going to continuously hear me reinforce done for you digital products and continuously make a case for them, because it's the only way that I was able to start fast. And so what I want you to focus on from this video, and it's going to be so easy for you to do, and I will help you with it, is it's not get off this video and then go get a digital product set up. All I want you to do is just to decide what you are going to sell. I want you to get something in your hands that is sellable, that you know that if you were able to get that digital product set up in the next 72 hours or the next week, depending upon your time constraints, right, that there are people out there that would be willing and that are already waiting to buy such a product. I don't want you to decide upon 10 products. I don't want you to go and get the product set up. I don't want you overthinking this. I don't want you speculating on, well, once I get it set up, how do I drive traffic? I don't want you putting the cart before the horse. All I want you to do is simply decide that the desire I have to make money online is super strong. It's stronger than any circumstance or condition that could be holding me back right now. I want you to decide that you want to make money online more than you want your conditions and your circumstances, because that's what you got to want. When I got started, I was broke as a joke. And it's so funny because I'm in a community where I keep hearing the people in the community say this one key phrase. They're like, we all started because we didn't have enough money. Now, well, I know that's not the truth. There are a lot of people that come online and, start up online incomes, and it's not because they don't have the money. They're looking for something else. But I know that's my story. I came online because I knew I didn't want to be a nurse forever. I was tired of not having money. I was tired of not having the kind of freedom that I wanted. I wanted to be able to be home with my kids. There's a lot of things that I wanted, right? But the fact of the matter is, like, money was not one of those things I had when I started my business. I was always in pursuit of entrepreneurship for more money. And so for me, I wanted my outcome of having something that can make me money online. I wanted that way more than I wanted to hold on to my conditions of not having enough, right? And so I was willing, like, literally to do anything that would help me get to a place of not having enough. And so again, I'm so happy that done for you digital products came into my life, because it gave me a very, very easy way to get started, where I didn't have to second guess like what I was going to do. And I didn't have to lean. I think this is so important. I didn't have to lean to like my own understanding or my own knowledge or my own past failures, because I had something that I really could believe in, that I did not have to create, that I knew for a fact that if other people just like me knew it existed, they would want to buy it as well. There are going to be a lot of steps that we're going to go through together. There's a lot of things right now I'm going to tell you, and I want you to write this down because I want you to always remember this. There's always going to be things that you don't know. You've got to trust the process, trust myself enough to know that the next step that's being provided to you is just simply the next step for you to take, because that's a very, very important milestone. When I got started, there were so many things I knew for a fact that I didn't know about making money online. And had I let that stop me, I would have never been able to experience making 28 sales in my very first 30 days. I made 28 sales in my first 30 days without knowing a lot. And like my next 30 days, there were things that I was met with, things that I learned that I decided to put into place. So because I trust the process, I allowed the most important thing to happen in my business, which was making sales, trusting that whatever I needed to know would come to me, or I would learn about it, or someone would tell me about it. And that's exactly what happened. So I want you to know there's always going to feel like there's a lot of things you just don't know. That's what holds so many people back, is again, they see the big picture and they're trying to speculate on how they're going to like gobble all of this up in one setting. And that's not the objective. That's not how you start making money. You start making money by selling something that other people desire. And so what I'm going to do down below in the description, okay, again, your only job from this video is to decide that you're going to get something in your hands that you can begin selling. So I have a kit down below in the description, Digital Income Foundations. All right. If you already have something that you do believe in, but you just haven't gotten it set up yet, just hang with me. Subscribe to my channel. Come back tomorrow. Again, I'll continue to help you step by step. But if you would, first off, like to know that once you've selected that product, that you're going to have step-by-step tutorials to help you in getting it set up. I do have a kit down below in the description that not only gives you one digital product, but it gives you 16 digital products. And like I said earlier, no, you're not going to pick all 16, right? But this kit gives you 16 digital products that you will be able to learn from, benefit from, use for your own knowledge and for your own business. But you're going to be able to pick one of those digital products out, learn how to get it set up in the next couple of days, right? And be positioned to actually start making money. For today, I just simply want you to decide that you want your outcome more than you want your circumstance or your situation, and to decide to get a digital product in your hands, right? Giving yourself something sellable to start offering other people. That is how we make money. I'll drop it down below in the description, and make sure you come back tomorrow. Again, day by day, I'm going to help you take action. I'm going to help you check in. I'm going to help you clock in, right? And I'm going to help you make progress day to day. And we're going to do this together. I'll see you back in my next video, and I look forward to helping you on your journey.